That's a good question, I feel, because there are multiple ways through we can meet new people. I would always suggest students to go and participate into technical conferences. There are many cybersecurity conferences and many other technology conferences happening in Toronto or near GTA. Go attend those conferences. You'll find people with a similar journey, and believe me, like, just you need to approach and introduce yourself to those people. People are there to help you guys. The only thing is that you take the first step of introducing yourself and like asking for the help, and they are always there. So I feel conferences is one of the good platform where you meet new people. Second, I would say that LinkedIn is a great platform where you connect people. Just have a small 10-15 minutes call with them, a Teams call, so help them understand where from which background you come, and they would help you understand how they can help with their guidance. So just remember, uh, both the platforms are different platforms. One is in person, one is online. You that few of the online platforms are not that supporting, like maybe out of 10, 6 people are not responding, but other 4 people who have responded, that is where you start, and you start your guidance and mentorship from them.